Hi everyone, welcome back again to YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So guys, today I'm going to talk about how you can easily download Facebook video in your iPhone using a simple apps and simple tricks. So let's begin. So guys, first you need to download one app which is friendly. Here you can see the icon, and you can find the app at App Store. This app is totally free, and this app have also a paid version, but you do not need to paid version. You need to download just free version. So after download you can find this app like this. So go to this app. So here you can see the app. I have already logging my Facebook, Twitter account. So the specialty of this app is you can use multiple Facebook, Twitter, Instagram account at the same time. Just add your account using this plus symbol. Here you can see. So I have another video on this, how you can add multiple Facebook, Twitter, Instagram using this app. You can find the link in my description. So after opening this app, you need to log in on your Facebook account, which Facebook account have the video which you want to download. So after logging, go to your Facebook account. So I like to go to my account. Here you can see it went to my Touch ID. So now I am logging my account. So after go to your account, just find your video. I already saved the video in my saved items. So here you can see I have two video. So now I like to download this one. So play the video, which video you want to download. Suppose I like to download this video. So at the bottom you can see one download icon. Just press the download icon. Here you can see some option. So just select third option, download video to camera roll. So I think download is complete. So now I like to see. Here you can see the video. So this is a really tricky method, and this is really so simple. I hope you like this video, and now you know how you can easily download Facebook video in your iPhone using this app and these tricks. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If so, give me a big thumbs up, and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video of this channel. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.